Huh? How does it? Rara. Oh no.
Downloading Need for Speed. What the heck are you doing up here? Come on, baby. Oh, you want to play video games? Hold on. Hold on. I know what you want to do. Whee! Woo! Woohoo! Let's go! We're doing donuts! Ah! You need help down? Whoa, kid, you're not letting me help you down. I'm gonna open everything up to make moving that stuff easier. I know, it's a bunch of sticks. Okay. Oh, I always have to move the steering wheel. Okay. Boo. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. And we're putting some wheels and tires on today at NTB, which is National Tire and Battery or something like that. We'll see how that goes. Putting the Rogue Engineering wheels, the GTR wheels, the BMW M3 GTR wheels, and some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Come on, puppy. Come on. Da, 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 da. Oh. Hi. Do we need to get you your own camera? Going to get the rims. Before any of you in the comments try to correct me about whether they're wheels or rims, in my head canon, a wheel means rim plus tire. Tire is just a tire and a rim is the metal bit. I know that it's probably not correct, but I grew up with Need for Speed Underground too, so I don't care.
Huh? Okay.
Don't touch the lens.
Hi.
Don't touch the lens. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay. Well, it's done. As you can see, a little wider now because we've got 275s and it's square, so it sticks out a little bit, but that's okay because this is getting a wide body kit anyways. But look at these wheels. Wow, that's perfect. Wow. Probably use this for the thumbnail. Ah, that looks great. Oh, they lifted and drive. There we go. They don't need to warm up, but those wheels look sick. We're not in sport mode or anything like that. The car's not warm, but I know it's been a while since the last time you've actually heard this car, so we'll do a below 4,000 RPM pull, which hilariously seems to be where it sounds at its most best at its best. Ellie. Hello. How are you? Are you good? Well, if I get a noise complaint, they can't use the argument that I'm bothering people's kids, because my kid loves it and that's all that matters. That won't hold up in a court of law, will it, Heather? I'll just put the car in the garage. All right. We will now return the car back to its dormant state, because it doesn't get driven that much, poor thing. But, oh, this actually needs to be moved. Random empty box for a weed whacker. And now we got space for tires. All right, all the wheels are in the garage. The old wheels. But then also, oh Jesus.
I'll murder you in your sleep.
These wheels now are too. Pretty sick. Wow. That's really pretty, actually. One of the prettier sights I've seen in a while. It's been kind of meh these past few weeks. Hey, what up, peeps? I'm just in the car. I'm always in the car with my laptop these days because I'm always checking stuff. I was gonna try and see if it would pass emissions, but apparently I need like an actual scanner tool. I can't just plug an OBD2 cable into my laptop and run a couple tests. I have to get some kind of dumb tool, so that's annoying. But I'll figure that out, no problem. I thought I'd just get a cool montage of the car with the new wheels, and I did a test drive with it today, so that's why I didn't record my drive to here. It feels like it kind of pulls to the right, so it could be things weren't aligned properly or something like that, or something else needs to be adjusted. You guys, I'm sure, will give me your opinions down below, but you'll see what it looks like in the montage coming up in a few seconds. Oh, and look, you might be able to see it. Here's the dent right here. I know you guys said that the scratch is fixable, which I believe that 100%. It's this dent here. See that? See how it messes with the reflection? Cross got my car, man. Huh. That's interesting. So, you may have noticed a couple things that I'd noticed too. You can see that the front wheels are sticking out a little bit past the fenders, which is fine because the car is going to get wide-bodied anyways. But forgive me if I'm wrong, I think those things that look like blank Scrabble pieces, boomer way of describing them, I don't think those are supposed to be visible, right? I've never looked at any car before and seen wheel weights visible on the car. They look like wheel weights to me. I thought they were supposed to be hidden somewhere where you couldn't see them. So that's a little odd. Otherwise, the wheels look great. They look like M3 GTR wheels. They're just black. I know a lot of people are probably like, black wheels, meh. You gotta have a very special vision in mind for white or silver wheels to work. My next car will probably have silver or polished looking wheels, or just straight chrome, who knows. But for the M3 GTR, I've always wanted black wheels. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the wheels, whether those wheel weights are supposed to be there or not. Wish me luck on getting this emission tested. If not, if it doesn't work out and it doesn't pass or whatever, you know, not a big deal. Because we might be moving fairly soon anyway, so I might just be like, I'm not even going to bother registering it. I'll just wait until we move and I'll register it in the new state that doesn't have emissions anywhere. So we might go there, which would be kind of nice because it's a much more beautiful part of the country. In my opinion, it's the most beautiful part of the country. More on that later. We've been there before. I've taken you guys there multiple times, so being there full time would be really, really cool. But still got to work out a bunch of details like my job and, you know, what I'm going to do whilst I'm there. But in the meantime, hit that subscribe button, because if you like what you've seen so far and you're not subscribed yet, you're going to like what I got planned. All right, let's just be real here. But yeah, Continue fighting the algorithm, leave comments, hit the like button, do all that sort of stuff. You guys are the Neos of my Matrix. And yeah, stay legendary, everybody. And I'll see you all next time. Take it easy, everyone. I love you. Bye-bye. Oh, someone in what looks like a Kia f***ed up. Wah, wah, wah.
Oh no.